Good morning, sir. Welcome on board.
Good morning. Thank you.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat number is 12A, window seat.
Okay. Where should I go?
Please walk straight and turn left. You will see your seat.
All right. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Please keep your bag in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Okay, I will put my bag above.
Good. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct.
Excuse me, when will the flight take off?
The flight will take off in 10 minutes.
Thank you. And how long is the flight?
The flight is 2 hours long.
Okay, that's nice.
Sir, please switch off your mobile phone or put it in flight mode.
All right, I will do it now.
Thank you for your cooperation.
After takeoff.
Sir, would you like something to drink? Sir, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Sure. Here is your water.
Thank you.
Would you also like tea, coffee, or juice?
I would like some orange juice, please.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
Sir, would you like vegetarian or non-vegetarian meal?
Vegetarian, please.
Here is your meal.
Thank you. It looks good.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your meal.
Before landing.
Sir, we will land in 20 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, I have fastened it.
Please keep your seat upright and close the tray table.
Yes, I have done it.
Thank you. I hope you had a comfortable flight.
Yes, it was very nice. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey ahead.
Thank you. Goodbye.